In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bitrix24 for CRM and project management effectively. Bitrix24 is a powerful tool that combines customer relationship management with robust project management capabilities, making it a valuable asset for any growing business. Let's start by diving into the Customer Relationship Management, or CRM, section of Bitrix24. To get to this area, navigate to the CRM tab and select Customers. Here you'll find a streamlined way to organize and manage your customer interactions. You can categorize your customers into three primary sections: contacts, companies, and deals. Contacts represent individual people that you need to communicate with, whether they are clients, partners, or other stakeholders. In contrast, companies are businesses or organizations that you might deal with regularly. Organizing your customers in this manner can significantly enhance your ability to track communications and interactions efficiently. Now, when it comes to deals, this section is where you'll manage your sales opportunities. Each deal represents a potential sale, and keeping this area organized can help you stay on top of your sales pipeline and close deals more effectively. For those who prefer a simplified workflow, Bitrix24 offers a simple CRM mode. This mode allows inquiries to go directly into deals, bypassing the lead stage. This can be especially useful if your business has a straightforward sales process, allowing you to focus directly on converting inquiries to sales without managing the additional layer of leads. Once you've organized your customers, it's time to shift gears to project management. Head over to the Tasks and Projects section, and from there, click on Projects. In this area, you can create a new project. Let's say you want to start a website redesign project. Begin by entering the project name and then proceed to add the necessary details to keep everything on track. You'll want to add project members who will collaborate on this initiative. Clearly defining roles and responsibilities is crucial to ensure everyone knows what they're doing. Next, set tasks and deadlines for each task to guarantee the project moves forward smoothly and on time. Assigning specific responsibilities for each task helps avoid confusion and ensures accountability across your team. Furthermore, managing files and discussions within the project can be done directly in Bitrix24. This centralizes important documents and communication, making it easy for everyone to stay informed and on the same page. It also fosters an environment where team members can express ideas and resolve issues promptly. Lastly, establishing project milestones is essential. Milestones serve as significant checkpoints for your project's progress. They help you gauge whether the project is advancing as planned and allow for adjustments if necessary. By applying these strategies in Bitrix24, you'll enhance your organization's ability to manage customer relationships and execute projects effectively. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more features of Bitrix24 to maximize its potential for your business needs.